I think that the problem now is that even though there are 3 FDA-approved drugs in the United States that have somewhat different mechanism of action, that had good results and good safety profile, we still don't quite know how to use them. And there are new drugs that we have, all of us have our personal experiences and like to think that we know one of them might be better for certain manifestations. One of them you don't want to use if you have cytopenia. But at the end of the day, there are no studies, and these are all anecdotal experiences. And we really will need more evidence to learn how to use these drugs. And chronic GvHD that is persistent often has highly morbid forms. Many of these people have had chronic GvHD for a long time, and disease can be quite refractory to treatments. And with time, I think the real answer how to approach management of resistant chronic GvHD is not to allow it to happen. So I think what we will see in the near future is bringing these new agents more upfront and using them earlier on in the course of GvHD for newly diagnosed chronic GvHD. And also there are some trials already going on where you can bring them even into regimens to use them for prophylactic therapy and preemptive therapy. And the other very important thing will be to learn more whether there is some synergism, considering that they have somewhat different mechanism of actions. We could combine them, and by combining them, with time, lower their dose and use lower doses, and also lower the dose of steroids, or even have completely steroid-free approaches, steroid-free regimens. And I think that will be kind of important and somewhere where the future lies.